is George, aka Jetlag Princess. I'm your Pinay Bisdak in the Netherlands. So today I'm going to Schiphol because I'm supposed to fly on Saturday to France, to Nice, France, because I'm going to attend the birthday of my nephew. But then KLM canceled my flight because of the corona situation that is going on around the world. So the flight were canceled. I tried to reach out to them through WhatsApp, through a messenger, and also through email. I also tried calling them yesterday, but seems like the customer service of KLM is totally down. So the only option I have today is to go there personally and ask what's gonna happen to my ticket, since I did not cancel it myself, but they did, since France closed the border, so there's no flight anymore. I'll keep you posted and I'll update you later. See you in Schiphol.
I gave you my heart.
Okay, so what to do when your flight is canceled? In this video, I will show you what to do when the flight is canceled. Based on my experience, here's what I did. Here are the steps I did in order to resolve my canceled ticket. So the first option is go to KLM app, open the app, go to my trips, then scroll down and you will see more flight details. Open this one and obviously you can see that my flight is cancelled, and then go to ticket details, click that one. Normally here you will see rebooking options and then the amount or the fee for rebooking, but here there's nothing showing. So obviously there's nothing you can do. You cannot proceed or do anything. You can't rebook or you can't do anything. So this one is obviously not helpful. So the other option, or the second option that I did, is I go to contact. Here they have the options to send a message via WhatsApp or via messenger, or you can either call them. So what I did is I sent a message via WhatsApp, and here it is. So yeah, I sent them a message and until now I didn't get any response. And the other option is to call. Here it says they're open 24/7. The same with sending a message via the social medias. So I tried to call several times, but it only get to the point that it will ring, and then it will drop. So it was unsuccessful for me. I tried so many attempts, but I was unlucky. The fourth and final option is to personally go to Schiphol Airport. Schiphol. Yeah, it took some time because I took the Sprinter because all the intercity trains are canceled. So yeah, that's also one negative thing about this whole situation is that there's less trains driving. So made it to Schiphol. I hope it's not so crowded here because yeah, that's the whole point of having a lockdown or they impose the social distancing of like you have to stay a meter away from the other person. So if ever they will cough or I don't know, so you don't catch them. I don't know if it's really effective. Let's see. Oh, it's not so crowded. So like travelers, they're just arriving. It's not as hot as normal. So there goes social distancing. It's still crowded. I thought it's gonna be like empty, but it's not. Found it. So it's here in departure. Where am I? Departure 2. Yeah, departure 2. And there's a place there. Travel and services. So I'm gonna go there to see if they can do something for me. Damn, this is the line. That's a long line. So I just spoke to one of the KLM flight attendant or service healthcare, and yeah, everything is not working online, so I have to fall in line, and this is the line. It's quite a long line. So what can I do? This is supposed to be my first day of quarantine or lockdown where I can stay home, but not. I have to fall in line, and this line is like long, like really, really long. Holy shit. But what can I do? I have to do it. So quick update. I have to go through this long line, like that line behind me. It's like kilometer long. It's really long, and yeah. And most of these people, like in front of me, I think they're flying today because they already have their luggage with them. For me, I'm flying on Saturday, but still, to go through all these things, it's totally insane. And when you try online, nothing's working. And I spoke to one of the KLM representative. All she could tell me is like, yeah, you have to fall in line. That's it. Okay, so it's been half an hour now since I fall in line, and I just moved like maybe 20 steps. That's how dragging the line is. Like the process is very slow, and it just keeps getting longer and longer. I'm not even halfway to the line. So let's see. And yeah, there's no social distancing here. Everybody's just like falling in line like normal, like close to shop. Got my queue number. So I'm 667. I can see the counter now, so I'm getting near. Yes, finally I'm like one person away to the counter, so getting close. And I am next 677. So I finished everything. It was quite a long line, and it took me like around 2.5 hours, maybe 3 hours. I was not really keeping track of my time, but then yeah, so I got a voucher that I can use to like for future flights if I want to rebook or something. So they just basically refunded me, but not through cash, but through a voucher that I can use for rebooking or yeah, flights in the future. So yeah, all done with that, so time to get home. And yeah, Schiphol is not really a ghost town like everyone is saying, especially upstairs with the customer service line. There was a lot of people in there, and it's crowded, that's for sure. So that's it. So I hope this video is useful, especially to those who have the same experience of having their flight canceled because of the corona outbreak. So just follow the steps, and you might get lucky that you don't have to go to the airport yourself, and you will manage to resolve it online. Good luck. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please click the notification button so that you get notified every time I have a new update. See you in my next vlog.